So hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to tell you about a job opportunity from Hexaware. It is an off-campus job opportunity for 2021 batch student. I am going to tell you about everything about this opportunity, so please watch the video till the end. So I will be starting with the eligibility criteria. So any student who have a graduation in BE, BTech, MCA is eligible for applying, but one has to keep in mind that a student who is a graduate of degree, ME and MTech are not eligible for applying for this job. And also the passing year for applying this job should be 2021, and the streams which are preferred are CSE, IT, ECE, EEE and ICE are some of the streams which are preferred. And also in this students who are graduated in mechanical or civil allied branches are not eligible for applying. And also the aggregate till last announced detail who has a 60% or 6 CGPA throughout 10th, 12th and UG and PG. These are the some important point one has to keep in mind. One should get 60% or 6 CGPA throughout 10th, 12th and UG and PG. Only those students who have fulfilled the above criteria are eligible for applying for this job. Okay, so this is all about the eligibility criteria. And also there are some important skills which are required for this job profile, like you should have a good communication skills, you should able to speak English, and you should able to write English fluently, and also you should have good leadership skills, you should have ability as a team player and interpersonal relationship abilities, you should have high level of energy and also the right attitude and ability to thrive in the fast paced environment, and also you should be able to multitask, ability to prioritize and manage project related work, you should possess operate reliability, punctuality and flexibility at given task. So these are some of the additional requirements, or you can say additional skills, which will definitely provide you the plus point over others if you have these skills. Okay, now let me tell you about the job description of this job. So as a member of their technology team, you should be passionate around solving business problems throughout innovation and engineering practices, gain deep knowledge in programming language, program designs and development procedure. You should participate as directed in the complete software development lifecycle for requirement gathering to development of the product. You should be able to design and develop and troubleshoot moderate to complex software application. You should also get into the association in development, testing, support of existing new software application and solution. You should also undertake any other assignment for which may be allocated to you from time to time, and also cultivate strong working relationship with co-workers. So this is all about the job description. Now the most interesting aspect is about stipends and salary and all other things. So you will be getting aggregate of 4 lakh per annum on successful completion of training, and also with this you will be getting stipend of 15,000 per month during training of 6 months. And in addition to both these things, you will also be getting service agreement for 2 years and also initial accommodation for first 7 days. Okay, and also date of onboarding December 2021. So these are some of the things which you will be getting. So now let me tell you that Hexaware, you have to work from Hexaware location in India. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can reach them through campus connect at hexaware.com, and also you can visit their website, which is www.hexaware.com, if you have any query. So you have these two ways in which you can connect to the Hexaware company. And also one additional thing, if you are a college, if your college is eligible, you can also apply for this job. Okay, and so the opportunity is knocking at your door. All the registration links are given in the description. Please apply as soon as possible you can. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, and keep exploring yourself. Thank you so much.